Hi there, I'm Joshua Seth, and you probably know me as the voice of Ty in Digimon, or one of the other popular characters I've voiced over the past 20 years. Maybe even as the host of the Voiceover Champions podcast, where the best in the business share their secrets of success with you. Well, if you want to be a voice actor, the best way to learn is by actually doing it, preferably with feedback and guidance from a pro. That's why I'm now teaching voice acting workshops on Zoom, where we work on commercial reads, character development, breathing and warm-up techniques, and so much more. Classes are small and sell out quickly, so check out what some of my other students have to say about the class and then grab your spot while there's still availability. Talk soon.
Okay, so I think one thing about this class that I've really enjoyed is I think it's allowed me to be more confident in my voice, which I think is kind of the whole point of the class, right? I've also had a lot of really great notes to take about voice acting, about animation.
He's been really great, a great mentor, a great teacher. I really adore the techniques and all of the knowledge he's given as a voice actor.
I think Joshua's class was amazing.
I gotta say, I learned quite a lot. The breathing techniques he taught were amazing. I can now speak without having to breathe for a long while, which is amazing.
He's great. He'll take the little idiosyncrasies of your voice, and then, as somebody who works in the industry, it's valuable to have that kind of opinion where, they see a little spark and, they sort of push you to sort of move that direction.
When I took the voice acting classes, I learned more about acting, which is something I'm still working on so I can make myself better. But I've been appreciating all the feedback that everyone in the group and Joshua has been giving back to me so far, and I love it, and I can't recommend this class enough. Thank you very much, Joshua.